This is the monetary policy statement for July 2013. Inflationary pressures remained muted in June 2013. Annual headline and core inflation declined 3.4% and 5.5%, from 3.7% and 5.6% respectively in May 2013. The monthly headline inflation also decelerated to minus 0.7% from 0.2% in May 2013. The monthly core inflation, however, rose to 0.4% from 0.1% in the previous month. The Bank of Uganda's forecast of annual core inflation indicates that it will rise slightly over the next 2 to 3 months, but then will fall back towards the Bank of Uganda medium-term target of 5% by June 2014. Although the indirect tax increases announced in the budget for 2013-2014 are expected to have a one-off impact on increasing prices, the overall impact on the consumer price index will be small, most probably less than 0.5%, and will not cause ongoing inflationary pressures. However, the adverse weather conditions currently being experienced in most parts of the country could push up prices in the near term, and also this poses an upward risk to the inflation forecast. Real output growth is forecast to increase to 6% in 2013-14 from the preliminary estimate of 5.1% in 2012-2013. The pickup in real economic growth is unlikely to constitute an upside risk to inflation in the near term, because output is still below potential growth rate, which is about 7%. Since last month's monetary policy statement, the macroeconomic outlook for the next 12 months remains largely unchanged, with the exception that we believe that the balance of risks to the inflation forecast have shifted slightly upward, mainly due to the threat posed to food prices by drought. Nevertheless, a neutral monetary policy stance is warranted to support the continued recovery of private sector credit growth without jeopardizing the attainment of the inflation objective. Hence, the Bank of Uganda will maintain the central bank rate at 11% in July 2013. The band on the central bank rate will be maintained at plus or minus 2 percentage points, and the margin on the rediscount rate will be maintained at 3 percentage points on the CBR. The rediscount rate and the bank rate for July 2013 will therefore remain at 14% and 15% respectively. That is the monthly policy statement.
Thank you very much.